So I had to supply this in bulk. This is customized tiger nut drinks, and I also have customized soya milk drinks, and I also have customized zobo. So what this means is that whatever occasion you're having, all you need to do is just put in your details, and then the stickers will be customized and pasted on all the drinks that were used for that very occasion. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made the soya milk in a very large quantity to suit this occasion. So this is my soya milk. I had to prepare 1 pint of soya milk. I'm going to put the paint up here. When I say paint, this is what I mean. 1 custard rubber of soya milk. So this is my soya milk the next day. Like, I selected it and then I soaked it. Okay, so that's the next day. It's already swollen up. Plastic bottles that I'll be using, I had to wash both of them. They are all new, but I still had to wash. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and cook my soya milk. I was trying my possible best to just cover this. The workload was just too much, so I was trying to cover it. Okay, so I'm not just going to show everything, but I'll explain everything so that you understand. So I cooked the soya milk and I'm using high heat. Of course, this is being done on firewood, so my soya beans actually cooked very fast because it's firewood and the heat was just high. So I had to cook everything. It is much. If I tell you, like, 1 pint of soya beans produced more than 50 bottles of soya milk for me. More than 50 bottles. This is actually a very good business. If you want us to talk about the business aspect, that will be in a different video. You just have to declare your interest in the comments section. So I had to cook my soya beans until I was sure that it is soft. You know, because I'm doing it in a very large quantity, I won't have to recook after blending. So after cooking this and then it's soft, after cooking this till it was soft, I had to bring them out of the pot, and because it is just much, I had to bring them out little by little, just like what you're saying. Next, I have to wash and take off the peel. Very important, because like I said, I won't be cooking this again, right? And I'm just trying my possible best to. This is large. Not too large, but then this is large, right? And coupled with the fact that we were doing so many things on that very day, where the work was just much. So guys, after washing it, next I took it to blend using a commercial blender, but just make sure that you're using something that is very clean. So after blending, I have it right here. I'm also going to put in some ice block inside so that it's going to, you know, this thing gets bad very fast. So the water I added is chilled water, like very cool water, and I also added my block. You'll see my block when I will put it inside. So very important, right? Because this goes bad on time. Now I was trying my best to dissolve this, and that thing is that while blending, they took time to blend over and over again, because I wasn't going to stress myself washing this. I wanted something that I was even trying my possible best to do the kind of soya milk that won't have any chaff. So they had to blend, like they blended this up to 9 times, but still I still felt like I needed to save this. Now this is the sieving method, the sieving pattern. I had to use this. I couldn't use my cheese float, reason being that I wanted my soya milk thick, and I'm actually doing a very large one for this thing, so I had to do it thick. So I used that so that, yeah, it's going to give me a thick soya milk. So in here you can see my blocks inside. I had to add my flavor, and the flavor I added vanilla flavor. Not just that, I'm adding my condensed milk right now. This is going to enhance the taste of the soya milk. And if you add your condensed milk and you still feel like you need to sweeten it more, you can go ahead and add sugar. And that's it, guys. I went ahead to package. So I also made zobo, made tiger nuts. If you want to see if you want a video where I showed how I did those, then let me know in the comment section. So I actually got more than 50 bottles of soya milk. Yeah, more than 50 bottles. I think I got up to like 70 bottles of soya milk from that particular one paint bucket of the soya milk. And you want to make sure that your fridge, your refrigerator, or your freezer is very cool, because this gets bad very fast. So make sure it is very cool. Also make sure that you're adding iced block to the soya milk while making, okay, because it gets bad so fast. So guys, that is basically it. Thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video.